Good morning, viewers. In this tutorial, we will help you understand purchase order with unknown vendor. Let's have a look on all the points that we need to create purchase order when the vendor is unknown. In the next slide, we'll cover the details of purchase order with unknown vendor. The purchase order can be created with or without prior knowledge of the vendor. This article will explain how to create a PO when the vendor is unknown. To create a purchase order for a material with unknown sources of supply, use transaction Me25 or follow the menu path. Logistics, Materials Management, Purchasing, Purchase Order, Create, Vendor Unknown.
Enter Me25 transaction code in the command field. On the initial screen, you will need to provide information such as the order type, purchase order date, and purchasing group. If you check this source determination box, the system will automatically determine the sources for you. Additionally, you can input default data for items, including item category, account assignment category, delivery date, and plant. After filling in the data, press Enter and you will be redirected to the next screen. Enter the material and quantity. If you didn't select this source determination checkbox earlier, you can select the line and click on the Assign Source of Supply button. The system will search for valid sources for the material. If there is only one source, it will be assigned as the default source. To check if the source was assigned, click on the Item Details button. On the item details, we can see in the highlighted box that the system has assigned the source based on the existing info record. Now go back to the previous screen, and after identifying the valid source, you can generate the purchase order for a particular vendor. Click on the Generate Purchase Order button, as shown below. Once you click on Generate Purchase Order button, you will be redirected to the standard purchase order creation screen. Here you can check the data and then save the purchase order. If you are unsure of the source or need to choose a reliable source, you can create a purchase requisition by selecting the line and clicking on Save as Purchase Requisition button. The purchase requisition will be created. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helped you to understand SAP purchase order creation with unknown vendor.